very warm welcome to Body Pro Coach Nutrition. I am Maahek and today I'm going to be doing Sufiyana Chicken Tikka for you. So let's quickly go and see the recipe. First, fresh cream, very little of that. That's going to be about 2.5 tablespoons. To that I'm going to add 1 tablespoon almond flour. I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of roasted chickpeas and cardamom. Next I'm going to add is chopped coriander, half a teaspoon of black pepper powder, half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of kasuri methi, and lastly pinch of stevia. And now I'm going to mix the ingredients well. There you go, and the ingredients are mixed up well. They look really nice. To this I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. And now I'm going to add the pre-marinated chicken. That's going to be marinated, or I've already marinated the same with red chili powder. And now I'm going to add my pre-marinated breast boneless, which includes, I've already marinated with red chili powder, ginger garlic paste and little turmeric. And lastly I'm going to add my beautiful vegetables. So I have here yellow bell peppers, red bell pepper, some green bell peppers, some onion and some tomatoes. Now I'm going to stir all of this really well and keep that aside for about 20 minutes. So before we grill the chicken, we're going to add some lime juice to it. And now stir this really well. And now I'm going to put them into the skewers. Skewers are done. So our Sufiyana Chicken Tikka is ready. It's loaded with protein, extremely low in carbohydrate, a perfect meal. Thank you so much for watching my video. Request you to please hit that bell button so that you get intimation of all our videos. We do videos on training, nutrition, Maahek's core pilates and awesome amazing recipes. Thank you so much. See you next time.